Tamasa Thoh kebasan nege Shong Literary Festival ajabsan kerajaan si kebentak ba arsngi mentak afitrik naweng ajabsan hanan Polok hakan nege sngi ba arum tidang ba kejela Conrad kisang ma oleh jingok banyak kedon bentah hakan nege Tamasa bat wai kendu badi kerendu igi breu gi bawan si nege Tamasa om tangketa ulah pelut poro ban syendul lang ni Selfie bat ki ladun lang ru tri katanat kejengok kai kejela utimoti di sira nol komisioner sekretari ubiji kuma bat kue gi soka nol ginang tokot na kelengkari bat kumju na kene kejela kaniget Tamasa akan kul lasai kesngi ka apu atarik nawing ajabsan hanan Polok wolong lais ngi kenti.
I want to sit in this one. Another eco-friendly bike. The second one in what's like. Photo? I want to visit that. Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Good? Okay. Being held right here in Watts Lake. I normally don't do this, but I apologize for being early. Normally we apologize for being late, but I'm sorry I came early. The problem is that technology these days is so good that we take things for granted. So they updated my calendar at the last moment when I was only sitting in the car, that the program is at 10 o'clock and not at 9:30. And based on the 9:30 program, I had already set up my programs in different parts of the state. As you all know, I like to travel a lot, so I've got a program in Umsning in the evening. So I have to rush there, and before that, of course, I've got many review meetings. But coming to today's program, I have seen, and I think most of us sitting here have seen this Lit Fest literally grow in front of our eyes. I remember the first time we had it, it was in that corner up there. And it was a very small gathering. It's still a small gathering, but it was small in the sense that it had very few authors. It had very few distinguished people. And also it had very few participants. And even at that point in time, there were a lot of people who were discouraging us, saying, what are you trying to do? You're trying to copy the Jaipur Lit Fest. You'll never get there. Shillong is not meant to be in that league. And these were the kind of comments that we got at that point in time. It was very discouraging, I must tell you. Of course, we get those kind of comments even now for other things, but it's fine. I think we're getting used to it. But today, to see this Lit Fest grow into what it is now, I'm not saying that we are where we would like to be. There's a long journey ahead of us. But looking back, there's a small sense of satisfaction to some extent to see the kind of buzz, the kind of individuals, the kind of quality that this literary festival is able to pull. And I think what is more heartening for me to see and to feel and to be able to be part of is to see our own writers come up. I think that is one of the key areas which we wanted to target and push when we started the literary festival. We said our people have the talent, our people have the passion, our people have the desire and the will to write and to be able to tell a story. But I guess we don't, or we are not able to give the platform that they deserve. And that's really what we're trying to do. We are bringing established authors from outside the state, the nation, and the country. And we are also trying to motivate our youngsters and our own people to start the process of writing, to not be shy, I should say, or think that, is my book going to make any sense? So I hope that we have been able to build that culture of writing. That's really what we're trying to do.